This hair was styled with some dish soap. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Sunber Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now we'll be styling this unit together because I got a little bit of time, but I want to look good because your girl is going to the fast today. So we're going to style my look together. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Sunber Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I already went in and washed this hair. I know, new for me. I'm just joking. I just don't wash all my wigs, but I did go ahead and wash this one with some dish soap, but you know, don't judge me. But the hair took to it really well. It's real soft and manageable now. I did use my where's my little brush? My Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush. This is what I use to detangle my wigs as well as define them. So we're going to use that again when it's time to define my curls. Now the lace does feel a little, it's not stiff, but it's not super soft. It does feel a little thin, so I don't think I'll have trouble blending this, but I'm not going to use any type of products under my lace because it already has like a brown tint to it. So I'm just going to put this joint on. No wig grip yet until I figure out if I'm going to glue this wig down or not. Okay, let me go ahead and just pin this back. The hair is still a little damp, and that's okay because it's going to dry down once I put the product on it and do my little razzle dazzle. So I'm not worried about that. Let's cut the ear tabs off. Where is thou? And now for the hairline, it doesn't look bad, but I want mine to be broken up just a little bit more. So I'm just gonna pull a little bit of hair out here in the front to kind of, you know, break that up some. If you have not seen me do my pulling method on my wigs, go ahead and check out my last video. I went in depth on how I do this and why I do it a certain way. Y'all see how the pulling method just broke up that hairline just like that? Y'all see this, that before and after? Just from pulling two sections. Get to pulling if you need to. And it's also less messy. With tweezing, you gotta go back in and brush the hair out. I don't got time to be doing all that, especially if I'm doing it on my head. So if y'all hear some knocking or, you know, hammering or whatever, that's Kenny. He out there working on my floors for me. I say my floors because it's something I wanted him to do. He's not choosing to do this, but I appreciate him. So thanks, babe. This one can come out. Nope, not that piece. There we go. I don't think I want to glue the whole wig down, but I think I may glue the front. We'll see. Get my razor. If I want to wear this unit glueless, I would definitely put on my wig grip because this will hold it, you know, in place. Yeah, I know my little trick. Swirl the hair around the hairline so you can see what you're working with. Glasses on and bring it up a little bit further. Okay, okay. I am going to put on my wig grip. They did send me one. Ooh, it has a good stretch to it. Okay. I just want to put this on mainly to hold, you know, the wig in place up here. And also to use my combs on the side. I like to tuck it under my wig grip. I don't be slamming the combs inside of my head. Put it under the wig grip and keep it secure that way. This unit does have good stretch to it, so I would definitely say this is big head friendly. She's snug and in place. Let's go ahead and mold this hairline. I'm gonna use my Nairobi Wrap and Shine Mousse. Y'all see me use this a couple times before. We're gonna use it again. Mold this hairline. And I have realized when I put makeup under my lace and then I use this, it takes the makeup off. So it's kind of pointless. It's best to just wait until the end to see, you know, if I need makeup or not. All right, let's wrap her down. Wrap her down like this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, now let's go ahead and get this hair together. So it came with like a little side part. I don't know if I want to do the side part. I think I want to do a middle part, to be honest. If I'm being honest, I don't think that's going to be directly in the middle, but we'll figure it out later. The hair, does it come with layers? A little bit. I'm pretty sure this is a kinky curly unit, but the way this hair feels is giving me like type 4 kinky, but not 4C, okay? All right, so I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse again. We're just putting this all over. Because this mousse is a little bit thicker, I'm able to pretty much put it all over the hair and not have to go section by section. When I use my other Shea Moisture mousse, I gotta go section by section because that's more lightweight. This has a heavier hold to it. So in order to get lightweight bouncy curls, use the Shea Moisture. If you want more clumped together, a little bit stiffer, use the Nairobi. I did get some shedding when I did the co-wash because I did have to kind of work my way through the ends because they were a little tangled, but not too much. Okay, let's go ahead and clump those. Look how that clumps together. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty, y'all. This mousse definitely gets my curls together. I'm sitting here doing this with no glasses on. Oh, child. Ooh, define the ends. Real simple, y'all, real simple. Of course, this takes a little bit more time than like a kinky straight if you plan on wearing that full out. But not too much, okay? It doesn't take a lot of time now that I have perfected how to do my curly wigs. The one product staple is good enough for me. Some of this is kind of long right here. Like this one is really long. I don't understand why. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's how we looking. Let me go ahead and do this side. Okay, so hair is all defined. I'm going to do a little bit of makeup, just a little bit, and then we'll come back and finish up this look, and I'll tell you guys what I think about it. I mean, pretty simple, but you know, we'll come back and talk about it, okay? Be right back. Okay, so I blow dried the hair for the most part, still a little damp, but you know, nothing crazy. Let's take off the band, okay? Let's move this around the hairline. Again, I didn't do no adhesive, no glue, no nothing. All right, let me clip this back so I can see. Blend down my lace with my contour. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, let's fluff the hair up. Just a little bit, like this. Oh, it's not all the way down in the back. Oh, dang it. Let me just cut that one off. I don't know what's going on. Why it's so long. I wasn't catching the vibe of it being short. I'm not even using a pick because I don't know where it is, but pretty cute. Let's put on some new earrings. So this is the look. Do I want eyelashes on? I feel like I do. Hold up. I just want to get the whole look. You know what I'm saying? All this is not going me to the fair. Just the hair, okay? For y'all like, she getting dolled up for the fair. I'm not that girl. Okay, I'm not that girl. I wore this to the carnival. I didn't feel like changing or wash my face, so you know, this is what I did. Okay, but you'll see how I got here. Okay, hold on, the girl's hungry. That joint hit the spot. Yeah, heighten the look. Fluff it up one more time. I'm not putting a defined part in this unit because I don't feel like she needs it. This hair was styled with some dish soap and some rat mousse. Okay, yeah. I like this. Let me put my glasses back on. I can't see nothing. How we looking? We looking good? Hair to the side and then hair to the back. This is the look. This is the look. Okay, so very easy to style. Y'all saw what I did. Pretty much, not a lot. I mean, like listen, and this is how the hairline is looking. I still didn't glue it down. Let me show y'all. Hold on with my comb. Still didn't glue it down. Okay, no glue whatsoever. Can you see? There we go. Still glueless. The parting spaces, you know, it's cute or whatever, but again, I'm not using that because I wanted the more natural looking look for me. Oh, wait a minute. I'm about to knock the glasses off my face. The hair is very soft and manageable. I love how this looks on me. And this one on the site does have Afterpay. It's pretty affordable for what you're getting for this wig. I'll put the price down below in case it changes later. But let me get up out of here because I'm ready for some funnel cakes. Okay, Shout out one more time to Sunber Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.